Fanny Hanna from ABBYY Ukraine, and I'm glad to introduce you nice features of our data capture products that demonstrate connectivity with Microsoft SharePoint server. In this short presentation, I will discover three basic scenarios: exporting to SharePoint and extracting data fields, recognizing images from SharePoint library and sending recognized documents to the library, and searching textual contents of the image files. The first scenario is connected with ReFlex Capture and expect that images are scanned or copied to hot folder. Flexi periodically monitors the folder, and if new image file appear, it will be imported and processed. Processing means automatic image recognition, classification, and fields extraction. As a result, users will get a textual PDF file and fields values will be attached as an attribute. Every document type is exported to a separate directory. For demonstration, I've prepared already scanned images of various types of documents, contracts, invoices, and letters. In my SharePoint library, I have specified 3 empty folders accordingly for each type. Let's have a short preview on images. All of them were scanned in PDF format with only raster layer, as you can ensure. I also would like to take your attention on the valuable fields like company name, invoice date, and the number. As far as I don't have possibility to show you my scanner working, I will just copy document scans to the hot folder. In a few moments, the images were automatically imported by Flexi Capture and disappeared from the folder. The processing part is hidden from the end user, and finally, he will see a recognized files in his SharePoint library. We need to wait until images will be converted to searchable format. Here we go. In the subfolder, you can see the searchable PDF and TIFF image with an attributes on the right. For instance, contracts and invoices has a number and date, and letters has date and sender and receiver information. A next scenario tells that SharePoint library can be both a source of document images and a target for output data. Simply, we can get images from SharePoint library for recognition and deliver results to another library. With the recognition server, it could be done automatically. When a new image appears in the library, it immediately delivers to recognition. In recognition server, all scenarios are implemented as workflows. I will show you some properties. As an input source, we specify connection to whole SharePoint storage and set supported image formats. As an output, we'll get PDF and doc for each image. After pressing button restart, Recognition Server will start crawling across SharePoint server and looking for images. Depending on your storage size, the procedure will take some time. Now it's ready, and let's preview the result. A SharePoint server has powerful capabilities to search in the SharePoint libraries and folders. However, the SharePoint server indexes contents of files in certain document formats only, like HTML, RTF, doc, XLS. Information contained in the image files, such as JPEG or highly popular PDF and TIFFs, remain uncovered. This means that content of scanned documents, faxes, letters, contracts are invisible to the server, and those documents may not be displayed in the search results. ABBYY Recognition Server, with its iFilter component, extends the Microsoft search capabilities over the image documents. It actually unlocks the content of image files by means of OCR and make it available for indexing by SharePoint server. With ABBYY Recognition Server iFilter, the document search in the organization becomes truly encompassing. ABBYY Recognition Server is integrated with Microsoft Office SharePoint server, as shown on the screen. ABBYY Recognition Server is installed on the server computer, which may be separate from SharePoint hosting machine. Special component ABBYY Recognition Server iFilter is installed on the top of SharePoint server and user desktops to provide the communication between the search system and Recognition Server. iFilter is a light component which consumes almost no computer resources to make sure its host performance remains on the high level. Each ABBYY iFilter receives image documents from a corresponding SharePoint crawler and passes them to the Recognition Server. ABBYY Recognition Server in the background performs high-quality OCR on the images and sends the recognized text back to the iFilter. Microsoft Search Engine accepts the document contents from ABBYY iFilter and builds an index. The image then becomes discoverable via full search. Here you can see the folder with the images. All these documents already were indexed by Recognition Server, and now we can do searching through these image documents. So let's put in the Microsoft SharePoint search line any keyword and click enter. First, number. It's actually correspond to some document number. So we've got 3 documents that contain this word. And let's type an invoice. And here are the results. this information was useful for you. Thank you for attention and goodbye.